Hello all, welcome to our Speed GK YouTube channel. We will be posting new videos on general knowledge on different subjects and areas every week. Kindly subscribe our channel and support us.
Which organization composes topographic map of India? Survey of India. What is the rank of India with respect to area? India is 7th largest country, 3.28 million square kilometers. The percentage of Earth's surface covered by India is 2.4%. What is the percentage of India's population to the world population 2011? 17.5%. Which imaginary line almost divides India into two equal parts? Tropic of Cancer. What is India's total land border in length with the neighboring countries? 15,000 kilometers approx. The average rainfall in India is about 125 centimeters. The largest state of India, area-wise, is Rajasthan, 342,239 square kilometers or 10.4% of the total geographical area of India. McMahon Line lies between which two countries? India and China. The Radcliffe Line is a boundary between India and Pakistan. The Mathbhanga River is treated as an international border between which countries? India and Bangladesh. India shares maximum length of the border with Bangladesh, 4,093 kilometers. South Talpatti Island has been a disputed territory between which neighbors? India, Bangladesh. The Shimla Convention is an agreement that sets boundary between India and Tibet. What is the tri-junction of India, China and Myanmar called? Diffu Pass. Even though entire Indian follows IST, actual time difference between extreme west 68°7' east and east 97°25' east of India is 2 hours. Time difference is 4 minutes per 1 degree of longitude and thus 30° difference creates 120 minutes difference. Which longitude is the standard meridian of India? 82°30' east. What is the difference between the Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Standard Time? 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Himalayan mountain system originated from which geosynclines? Tethys geosynclines. In which era India collides with Asia, which led to the formation of the Himalayas? Cenozoic era. 3 important rivers of the Indian subcontinent have their sources near the Mansarovar Lake in the Greater Himalayas. These rivers are Brahmaputra, Indus and Sutlej. Which is the highest glacial lake of India located at the height of 17,745 feet in Garhwal Himalayas? Devtal Lake. The largest glacier outside the polar region is Siachen Glacier, 75 kilometers. The Sonpani Glacier is the longest glacier of Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas. Gangotri-Yamunotri glaciers in the Himalaya, where river Ganga and Yamuna originates respectively, is in which Indian state? Uttarakhand. Which is the highest peak in India? Kangchenjunga, 8,586 meters, in Sikkim. Which is the second highest peak in India? Nanda Devi, 7,816 meters, Chamoli Garhwal district, Uttarakhand. The highest peak of the Karakoram range is Mount K2, Godwin Austin, 8,611 meters. Himalayan mountain range falls under which type of mountains? Fold mountains. Which Himalayan peak is also called as Sagarmatha? Mount Everest. Mountain pass between Pakistan and India, which has historically been a gateway for invasions of the Indian subcontinent from the northwest, called the Khyber Pass. Which Himalayan pass was reopened around in the middle of the year 2006 to facilitate trade between India and China? Nathula Pass. Jojila Pass connects which two places? Leh and Srinagar. Which pass connects Kashmir Valley and Punjab Plain? Pir Panjal Pass. Which passes make way to the land route between Kailash and the Mansarovar? Mana Pass. In ancient Indian historical geography, the Indian Ocean has been named as Ratnakara. Indian sovereignty in sea extends up to how much nautical mile? 12 nautical miles, 22.224 kilometers. What is the total length of the coastline of India's mainland? 6,100 kilometers. What is the total length of the coastline of India's mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar? 7,516.6 kilometers. Which state is first in terms of length of coastline? Gujarat, 1214 kilometers. Which Indian state is second in terms of length of coastline? Andhra Pradesh, 975 kilometers. Which is the longest beach in India? Marina Beach, Chennai. Which is the coastal water body that lies off the southwest coast of India, north of a line extending from the southern point of Sri Lanka to the southernmost of the Maldives Islands, and east of the Maldives? Laccadive Sea. What separates Daman and Diu? Gulf of Khambat. The largest port of India is Mumbai Port. At present it handles 40% of the nation's overall containerized ocean trade. Farakka Barrage was commissioned to save which port? Kolkata Port. Where is Kandla Port located? Gulf of Kutch. Lakshadweep Islands are the product of reef formation. 9-degree channel separates which two islands? Lakshadweep and Minicoy. How many islands are there in Lakshadweep? 36. In which island of India is an active volcano found? Barren Island, part of Andaman Nicobar. Where is the southernmost point of India located? Indira Point, in Great Nicobar. Which is known as Pygmalion Point? Indira Point is a village in the southernmost tip of India's territory in Nicobar Islands. This point was formerly known as Pygmalion Point. Which state union territory has the maximum number of national parks? Andaman Nicobar Islands. Which water body separates the Andaman from the Nicobar? 10 degrees channel. Which water body separates the Little Andaman from the South Andaman? Duncan Passage. Which is the highest peak in Andaman Nicobar Islands? Saddle Peak, 737 meters, in North Andaman. How many big and small islands is part of Andaman Nicobar Archipelago? 203 Andaman Islands plus 62 Nicobar Islands. The tribal population in Andaman and Nicobar Islands belongs to Negroids. U.S. missionary John Allen Chow died during the visit of which island of India? North Sentinel Island, Nicobar. The oldest mountains in India are Aravalis. Which mountain range lies between the valley of Narmada River in the north and the Tapti in the south? The Satpura Range. Which mountain acts as watershed between the Ganga Plain and southern India? Vindhyas. Which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhya ranges? Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is mostly spread across which states? Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Which is the largest plateau in India? The Deccan Plateau. Which is the highest plateau in India? Ladakh Plateau. The Khasi and Jantia Hills are located in which state? Meghalaya. The highest point in the Aravalli range is Guru Shikhar. The highest point in the Western Ghats is Anmudi, 2695 meters, Kerala. It is also highest peak in South India. What is the name of the highest summit of Nilgiri Hills? Dodabetta, 2637 meters. The highest point in the Eastern Ghats is Mahendragiri, 1501 meters, Odisha, which is the junction point of the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Nilgiri Hills. The highest point in the Aravalli range is Guru Shikhar, 1722 meters. The highest point in the Western Ghats is Anmudi, 2695 meters, Kerala. It is also highest peak in South India. What is the name of the highest summit of Nilgiri Hills? Dodabetta, 2637 meters. The highest point in the Eastern Ghats is Mahendragiri, 1501 meters, Odisha, which is the junction point of the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Nilgiri Hills. The pass located at the southern end of the Nilgiri Hills in South India is called the Palghat Pass. Which group of rivers originate from the Himachal mountains? Bees, Ravi and Chenab. In which state is the Vular Lake located? Jammu Kashmir. Hyderabad, in Telangana, is located on the bank of which river? Musi River. Tungabhadra River joins the Krishna River in which place? Sangameshwaram village in Kurnool district. Tungabhadra multipurpose project is a joint undertaking of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Kakatiya Canal is an important canal in the Telangana state, originates from which place? Shriram Sagar Reservoir. Which river is considered to be the present-day successor to the Vedic river Saraswati? Chambal River. Amravati, Bhavani, Himavati and Kabini are tributaries of which river? Kaveri. Which is the longest river of the peninsular India? Godavari. The Barak River is a famous river of Manipur Hills. What is the length of Narmada River? 1312 kilometers. Sri Rama Sagar project, also known as the Pochampadu project, lies on which river? Godavari. Dalhasti project and Salal project are located at River Chenab. The river Kaveri rises on the western edge of the Western Ghats. Which dolphin species found in the Chilka Lake, largest lagoon in India? Irrawaddy dolphin. Which is the largest river basin in Odisha? Mahandi. Which river is known as Sorrow of Odisha? Mahandi. How many main rivers are there in Kerala? 44 major rivers. Which is the longest river in Kerala? Periyar River, 244 kilometers. Which is biggest river in Tamil Nadu? Kaveri, 805 kilometers. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? Kosi River. The riverine island of Srirangam, Tiruchirappalli district, Tamil Nadu, is located between which rivers? Kaveri and Kolledam rivers. Which is longest river in Andhra Pradesh? Godavari River, 1465 kilometers. Which is the world's largest river island? Majuli Island, Assam, along Brahmaputra River. Which barrage supply water to the Indira Gandhi Canal? Harika Barrage, in Punjab. The Buckingham Canal, which has been declared a national waterway of India recently, is a canal running from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, to Villupuram, Tamil Nadu.
Thanks for watching Speed GK YouTube channel. Please support our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and also please share this video with your friends. Thank you.